Moving out and not sure what needs cleaning? It's easy to miss key areas, and that can cost you your deposit. Many people focus on visible surfaces, but forget details like inside appliances, behind furniture, or high-touch areas. A proper move-out clean follows a structured checklist, not guesswork. Start by preparing the space. Remove all belongings, empty cupboards, and gather your cleaning supplies. Working in an empty property makes every surface accessible and easier to clean properly. Next, clean room by room from top to bottom. Dust high areas first, then wipe surfaces, clean appliances, and finish with floors. In the kitchen and bathroom, focus on grease, limescale, and hidden buildup. Finally, check the details. Wipe light switches, door handles, skirting boards, and inside cupboards. These small areas are often inspected closely and can make the difference. When everything is done, the property should feel fresh, bright, and inspection ready. For the full step-by-step guide, visit cleanselect.co.uk.